Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel American Bicep. Today we are exploring the Grand Canyon of the East, Letchworth State Park in New York. Just look at this view. Oh my god. The park is beautiful waterfalls, upper falls, middle falls and lower falls. It also perfect for relaxing afternoon. Pack your lunch, enjoy the view, and just breathe in the fresh air. Honestly, it feels like stepping into a whole new world away from the city. Whether it's nature, adventure, or photography, Letchworth State Park has it all. You really just have to see it. If you enjoy this video, like, comment and subscribe to the American Bicep for more adventure. Until next time, keep smiling.